Craig here with Dave Bean. We're here at Orion Automotive and talking to you about just a minute ago about the influence or what you're picking up from the next younger generation of owners and how that's applicable to us as we kind of look at the younger generation in a different light, but what they can actually assist us with. What are your thoughts to that?
Well, having been in Pro Service or 20 groups like this for 22 years, it's interesting for me to see the transition that I've made, because I used to be one of the younger guys picking up from the older guys the things they've been doing for so long. But now, being of that next generation, younger guys coming in, they're coming in with a whole different perspective of how the young generation thinks. And so that helps me to understand whether I'm good at implementing it or not. It helps me to understand how they think so I can understand how to market to them. And even though I'm personally not doing much of my marketing, I understand the need to have to structure my business to relate to a younger generation. I'm learning how they think by interacting with the guys that are in the group that are younger, and I'm seeing what they're implementing in their shops to meet the needs of multi-generational customers, rather than tending to focus on the people that I relate best to because they're of my generation. There are younger people coming in, and it helps me to see how we need to relate to them to better suit their needs and meet their expectations.
Absolutely, as that generation ends up being the largest purchasing generation that we're going to be dealing with going forward, right?
We move in another 5-10 years, and now they're right in the middle of it, of our generational gap.
Right,
Absolutely.
Just
So
another nugget.
The diversity of the group, of the Pro Service, having older guys ready to retire, younger guys coming into the business, younger guys taking over their parents' business, all of that diversity.
Older, younger guys.
All of it.
Very helpful tip. Another nugget, Pro Service Nugget.
From the older guys.
From the older guys. See you later.